What is good, YouTube? It is your boy who's AMG and I am back with another video. In today's video, we're at the Lab, Connecticut. I think it's what it's called. So I'm at this meet. Got some cool cars over here. Got my baby right here. Got my boy G80 Demo. Yo. Got my boy Nancy. Yeah, so we outside. We about to go check out the cars. Yeah, let's see what's here. Got the big boy RS7. I think that's the performance. Yo, this thing right here. Sheesh. I need to check that shit out. But damn, this shit's tough. I know, bro. Just look at this fucking thing, bro. Fucking inside goes crazy. Got peanut butter guts. You need some tint. This Rose is tough too, but this is top tier right here. This is top tier. Sheesh. Got this Porsche. I don't know what model this is. It's a convertible. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Let me know down below what type of car this is. What type of model this Porsche is. Pink 330. 330i. I don't think this car has the LGB 58 in it. But, you know, I got the M wheels. Feel me? That shit tough. I'm not gonna lie, it's tough. It's calm, bro. It's calm. I'm not gonna lie, I can't hate on it. It's calm. G83, I think this is. It's convertible. Is this thing? Got the laser lights. It's just tough. Oh, it has your seats, bro. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, man, the guts.
Sir. It's just tough. Sheesh. Got the M5 ski. That's just cold. I think it's an SRT Jeep. It's not tracky. Got the scat bag motor. Sheesh. Oh, hold on. Let me see the. It's just tough. I rev that shit. You already know what this is. A certified YN car. Oh, carbon fiber. Meow. Oh, it's just stick. Nice. It's just tough. I fuck with this. You already know what this is, man. The front mount intakes, laser lights, and the bucket seats. I don't want to go over there because I know the owner's over there. I don't want to make him feel uncomfortable or anything. I'll just walk around. Yo, he got carbon ceramic brakes, bro. Yeah, bro. Look right here.
Oh shit.
This looks good. So we got the crowd killer right here. Got this old school, I think it's a Charger. I don't know what year it is. I think it's like a 70. These big old trucks over here, which is fire. Yeah, we go see what's over there. M5 ski. Nah, for real. It goes go with the freaking wheels, bro. I don't think he got reps, right? Ah, good man. He got Vosin. Sir, tinted. Sheesh. Bro needs to comp, bruh. Only rear-wheel drive. Oh, shit. Why'd I skip this? Old school M3. I think this is like the 90s, I think. Oh. Manual. Yes, sir. Manual. Just tough.
Oh,
It's the new Lamborghini. I don't know which Lamborghini this is, but I know it's a fucking Urus. You know, the RSQ8. Feel me? You know where we at. Sheesh. It's fucking packed. Ooh, look at this. It's just, oh shit. The GTR, bro. Next to a GT, I think it's a GT3. No, GT3, I think it's GT. Just tough. Sheesh. Yeah, this is a GTR. Well, two GTRs. G80 over there. I'm gonna check that shit out right now. Nah, it's just tough. BBS is holy fuck. Fuck with it. Got the bear. Nah, it is. Carbon bucket seats. Shit's cold. Yo, shout out, bro. Tough build, tough build. Not gonna lie, tough build. That beautiful Porsche. Yeah, I think bro's stock, right? Chad, let me know. He asked me to race before I got here. You think I'm gonna win? Just let me know down in the comments. Let me know. Check out this. Good old B8. GT3. What's this? This is SRT, I think. Yeah, it's SRT. It's just tough. Smurf Jeep. Sheesh. It's just tough. You got the other vet. It's just tough. Sheesh. It's tough. One day I have a McLaren. One day. Hold on. This is so tough. Porsches. Put the Peterbilts back there. Nah, this shit's hard, bro. Sheesh. Shit is tough. Nah, hold on. This should come on. This guy got money. Bro. Oh, shit. GT4? Nice. That's nice. It's just tough. And it's manual. People love these manual freaking Porsches, bro. It's just hard, though. It's tough. They got up there M4, Range Rover. Now this shop's tough. Got the TRX. Got the Lamb truck. Walk further down and see what's up. I don't know what this is. GTR. I fuck with that plate. Self-made. Shit tough. The Lamb. Another Lamb. You already got a G80. Sheesh. Carboned out. Whee! Valvetronic. This guy got money. Sheesh. I think it's SF90. Z06. Shit's cold. Nah, this shit is so hard, bro. Motivation, bro. This shit's so tough. There's some tough cars here, bro. Yikes. Oh shit. Look at this. R8. Oh, this shit's on crack. This shit got on beadlocks. Bro, also got a car seat for the kid. W Pops. It's a 360. Sheesh. Look at the parachute. This shit is hard. Hard. Tough. I think this is a BRZ. It's a BRZ. Oh, carbon. Yeah, that shit's tough. This shit's tough. So whoever car this is, bro. Wide body. It's just tough. Manual. It's just tough, bro. Get back to the GTR. I don't know what type of rim. Oh, these are Rays. It's tough. Tough, man. Shit is hard. This whole garage is hard. It's the most hardest garage I've ever been in. No glaze. No fucking glaze. It's not even a garage. It's basically like a warehouse / garage / apartment. I don't know what the hell this thing is. It's hard, man. Fuck with it. Alright, Chad. I forgot to give you the Inside look at the M3. Shit's top. Fuck with the fitment. It's a tough fitment. It's the back. Bro got the sub. I think I already showed you all the sub. Yo. Nice. That shit is hard, bro. Motivated, bro. Motivated. Motion. Yeah. This is tough. GT3. Sheesh. Beautiful. Sheesh. I fuck with the car, bro. Hope you guys like this video. Sorry that it's so short, but everyone's starting to leave. All the cool cars are starting to leave. Sorry I couldn't get any clips of people just like ripping it over there, but it is what it is. But yeah, check you guys in the next video. Peace.